Hey everyone! A brush company called Golden Maple recently reached out to me and asked for a collaboration. I kindly asked for some samples to test first, and they sent me this miniature painting brush set I want to review today. One of the first things that struck me as positive was the size and shape combination. What actually left me surprised a little bit though is the fact that the bristles are made of synthetic fiber, because they hold water much better than I'm used to from synthetic brushes. The dry brush bristles are made of wool. So let's take a look at the brushes in more detail. The Kaneko size 2 brush is probably the most versatile one, since it's large enough to handle differently sized areas, but also has the perfect tip for details. Speaking of details, there's 3 brushes that go below size 0. These are a boon when it comes to line shading and freehands. The testing of this brush set reminded me of how much I rely on flat angled brushes, especially for large and mainly flat surfaces of course, but due to the fine shape of this brush, the use is not restricted. When it comes to the dry brushes, they do their job as expected. And with 3 different sizes, there's really nothing more to ask for. If you want to give this brush set a try, which I highly recommend, make sure to use the 20% discount code NIGHTSHADE and follow the link in the description. And definitely let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you for watching.